I fought battles no one ever saw, carried scars that never made the headlines at all, felt the weight of storms that should have left me nowhere. I've stared down shadows that whisper my name, told the reaper try again and came back the same. But I kept walking when the world